Qur'an was heard and recited every day by hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands of people. So fabricating the Qur'an is basically impossible, because the text is just so well known and it's repeated over and over and over again. Like, the 5 daily prayers were mandated in the 8th year of the Meccan period, right? And Al-Fatiha has to be recited in every prayer cycle. Everybody knows this.
Yeah.
And so the Prophet ﷺ, he led the Sahaba in prayer for 15 years. So 15 times 354 days, which is the lunar year, comes out to 5,310 days. I actually did the math on this. And 3 of those daily prayers are audible in their first 2 cycles, Fajr, Maghrib, and Isha.
Yeah.
So they would have heard the Fatiha 6 times a day from the Prophet. So 5,310 days times 6 recitations a day equals nearly 32,000 recitations of Al-Fatiha. The Sahaba heard the Prophet ﷺ recite Al-Fatiha 32,000 times over the course of 15 years. And this is not counting, when they heard it in Salatul Jummah, Salatul Eid, or just in conversation and lectures and sermons.